Hi, I'm Darlene Griffiths, and this is my Module 7 for AEP 855, the Human Resource Frame. So what is the Human Resource Frame of leadership according to Bowman and Deal? Well, what I gathered was that organizations are similar to families. They have members who have certain skills and needs, and it's about how these members interact and work with each other. And so you have to use these members' skills and meet their needs to make the organization work well. They have to be balanced. The organization has to be balanced with the needs of the human members. So as I was thinking about the hierarchy of all of those individuals who are involved with schools, of course I put a principal at the top because the principal is the one who has to say the buck stops here. We have to explain every decision. We have to have data to back up our decisions. We have to be able to explain to parents why this happened or what that was. So under principal, I put students because if we didn't have students, we wouldn't have schools. They are our main focus. That is why we come to work. That's why we study. That's why we teach. Then under students, I put parents and teachers on the same level because I feel like both of them are needed for student success. The teachers are there to teach the reading and the writing and arithmetic and all of those things that will prepare them for college or for technical school or for a job after high school. The parents are there to teach those soft skills of social skills, how to work within a family, how the life of an adult really looks like. That's what the parents are there to do and to support their students. Then below that I put cooks. They have to prepare those meals and feed our students so that they have that energy to be learning day in and day out in the classrooms. Also on that level I put custodians and maintenance personnel who have to make sure that the building is in tip-top shape. They have to make sure that the lights are on. They have to make sure that the doors are open, that the temperature is right for learning. They have to make sure that the restrooms are working and so forth. Then along that same level, I put the office staff. They do so much behind the scenes, and they're really underappreciated for all that they do for parents, teachers, students, everybody in the building. And then on that same level, I put paraprofessionals. I have had excellent paras and I have had not so great paras, and when you get an excellent para, it makes your job so much easier as a teacher. It makes it worthwhile to come in and do your job because you know you've got that support person there to help you and to make you smile. Then at the very bottom I put the community. Although the community is very important to the school system and to everybody in the hierarchy, they are not directly in the day-to-day dealings of the school. We rely on them for fundraisers, we rely on them for events, we rely on them for funding, but as far as the day-to-day grind, the community is not necessarily part of that. Then lastly I put alumni because they're the face out there in the world. When somebody is being interviewed for a job and they say, I'm a Harrington High School graduate, I'm hoping that that is a positive influence, a positive reflection on our school. So they are the face out there globally for us. So thanks for watching, and I wish you the best as you continue with your masters. Thank you.